Hi, I'm Landon, and I'm here to tell you guys about the difference between active-passive and active-active WAN configurations. Active-passive WAN configurations are like a train meeting a junction. There's a known best path that the switch has already set, and all the packets and all of the train will go down that path. Now, if something wrong happens along that path, the train conductor can have someone throw the switch. It will close that now bad path, and all future trains or packets or data can move across the known good path that was once the backup and is now active. Active-active WAN configurations are more like a highway with an off-ramp. The off-ramp is always there, or active, and the main road that continues down is always there, or active. And the car has to have a decision made via routing of some sort to either go off that off-ramp or onward based on the best way to get to its end destination. And that's really the difference between active-active and active-passive, is the fact that that car can make that decision and they're always there, versus a train can only do one, and essentially only one is there from a path perspective.